You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: clock, MP3 player, brake assist, tachometer, hill descent control, steering wheel controls. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.